Basically, what's going down is we are drifting a car.
Put it in two-wheel drive.
And we are in a car
around this
full of people who don't make cuts at the U.S. Open.
Yeah, there are way too many guys that are not bowling today that are in the house. It's not good. Bad ratio.
Yeah,
It's like 67% of us didn't make the cut.
The only people who did make the cut, and the people you're going to see today, are Chris, Mitch, Kyle, and Brad.
Oh, what about Zach? Do we count Zach?
Oh, we'll count Zach.
Did he make the cut?
Yeah, we'll count Zach. He made it, right? I don't want to.
So it's 5 out of 12. They made it.
We'll adopt
Well, 5 out of 11. Nick didn't bowl.
Nick didn't bowl.
Almost 50%.
Tim didn't bowl either.
Oh,
So
we did 50%.
50%.
We're in there. All right.
Percentages aren't that bad.
All right. Unfortunately, most of us are in the same house.
Yeah, the only person from our house who made it was Chris. So
bad house.
Bunch of happy boys here.
We're leaving a bad review. It's the house's fault.
Yeah, if you're the Airbnb host, we're sorry, because bad reviews incoming. 1 star. Also, guys, one more thing. Only if you want to. Absolutely only if you want to. Just click that subscribe button down below, and follow us along for more of these. Only if you want to, though. Only if you want to. Let's get to the block.
That right there is why you don't hold balance.
You gotta fall. Well, my hot take is that none of the lefties make the top 24. I don't know how Wesley's bowling, but the other two are not bowling great. So. I hope they do, but
Kim Wallaby seems to be the lefty, kind of like the old Rhino Page, where he just found a way to strike when nobody else did. So that's my money.
He's shooting 180 this game.
280 next game for sure.
I will be updating. All right, so we got Brad right around the number. Chris is struggling, but he's in the number right now. And then we got Mitch, who's close to the bottom of the top 36, but ball changed, so he's got 3 games left, and he needs a lot of strikes. So Kyle's in, Chris is in, Brad needs to get in, Zach is striking his way in, and Mitch is struggling. So hopefully Mitch can find something these last couple games with a new ball, but he's going to need some help.
He's sparing this. I'm calling it right now.
Score says only by like 23. That is clutch.
My 5-pin is working overtime right now. It is getting paid double, maybe even triple.
Hey, at least you don't Brooklyn 5-pin, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, don't let him lie to you. He just didn't get on camera.
Brooklyn strikes only. One game to go.
Let's see, he's gonna shoot 180 something here, so he's gonna be at 160. I'd say he could still be the number. I think to be feeling good, 240.
240 to feel good.
240 to feel good.
What about to be on edge?
To be on edge, 226.
I don't think it moves a whole lot this last game.
So you still think
Did you get my miss that had been left on camera?
Oh yeah, I got this. I tried to get the spare shot. I didn't get the actual miss on camera.
Oh, I was in the way, wasn't I?
No, I just didn't film it.
Oh,
Because like Kyle was standing up there, so I didn't think. But here's the deal: there's like 18 people at 160 or 170.
oh, really?
Like Brad's in by 6. Bill's the number. He's 168. Bill, Ronnie's at 160. Kyle's at 161. Brad's at 174, and the number's 168. So there's like 4 guys within these 3 pairs that are all like 10 of each other.
Right.
It's gonna get wild.
It's exciting.
It's a Brad versus Kyle in the cut.
It's a lock, 240 pins for the Shark. He wears the cape.
Lock, a 240 lock. After that missed head pin left, then flush, I'll take it.
are coming off my ball.
So as you said that,
Kyle's gone to Brooklyn the last 2 shots on the left lane. This is actually my favorite part of the tournament, when everyone starts getting a little extra into it, a little extra loud. People start getting a little extra pissed off.
Yeah.
Like me yesterday.
Can't hit the puck. We got decisions to make. If I keep trying to play the Brooklyn,
Hit the one in the front, brother.
you absolutely play the Brooklyn on the left lane.
it's not a decision, right?
I think to be feeling good, 240.
240 to feel good.
240 to feel
What,
good.
what about to be on edge?
To be on edge, 226.
What's up, guys? We're back at the house after watching the block 1 of the cashers round block. Mitch was the only one that didn't make it, so Zach made it, Prather made it, Kyle and Brad all made it. Kyle and Brad both were on the bubble going in the last game. Kyle shot like 220, Brad shot like 230 or 40 the last game to get in, and Prather and Zach were already well into the plus 200. So we will be back tomorrow to watch the match play block, and hopefully we get you some shots from there. But until then, you guys know what to do. Just comment down below and let me know who you guys want to see during that match play block tomorrow. And until then, peace.